Kublai shibun kajing bentip ngapanta kakam kabalat namta ka teaching job lane kakam no hikai ha ka school Gorkha Pathshala secondary school Shillong namanta ka pus jong ka assistant teacher ha ka social science but science and technology but ha ka subject English lasted ban sumit ya ki application kalong ha ka 8 Julai arjar arpulai Bat kipus kipalat namta ka school Gorkha Pathshala secondary school Shillong Banengkong assistant teacher ha ka subject social science Nambar jong kipus kilong tangkaway Ki qualification kiba pide ban pendep kalong graduate Nengba ka major subject Bat postgraduate ha ka art science bat commerce Bat pide ru ban pendep ya ka BEd Baar Assistant teacher haka subject science and technology nomor jong kipus kilong tangkaway ka qualification jong kane kade ka graduate PCM physics chemistry but mathematics lengba ka major subject lane postgraduate lengba ka BEd balai assistant teacher haka subject English nomor jong kipus kilong tangkaway ka karan pule kaba pide bandon ha ka graduate lengba ka major subject ha ka English lane post graduate ha ka art but kumjuru pide ban pendep ya ka BEd te komno ban apply ya kane ka teaching job lada pidon ke interest ban apply ya kane ka kam phila ban pha ya ki application ha ka standard application form kumjuru bat ki certificate marksheet nadu ka SSLC Shanang Badru bat ka sebat certificate bat testimonial bat ka self attested kumjuru bat arteli ki passport size photograph bat phila ban pha ya ki application jungpi sha ka secretary MC Gorkha Pathshala secondary school Upar Mauprem Shillong But filaro ban download ya ka standard application form bangilabu description jong kaneka video. But kumjuro aswa bapen apply pechwa ya ka official notification jong kaneka requirement job. Kaba ngilabu description jong kaneka video. Te publish bon.